We make this lecture really related with the place where we are and the topic of your research this year. And for us it's very important to, coming from our office and the difficulties we have to make architecture more and more, to come back to very simple things, simple facts. And here it's perfect to talk about that, because we think that we should come back to essential things, which are the light, which are the wind, which are the air, the shadow, the sun, all these different qualities of light that we can have, if it is the morning, if it is the evening, if it is full day, and how these are the essential materials of architects and of architecture. And then inside the landscape, how we can, with these very simple natural elements, consider this idea of life, of exchange, of social relationships through these elements. There is a sort of serenity which is important, and then we come back to these essential elements. One student talking with a professor, one professor talking with a student, students talking together, all together, and exchanging knowledge. It is so eternal. Probably thousand years before today it was like that, and it was brilliant. And we have to reconsider these situations, not to come back 2000 years before, but in the actual situation to reconsider the simplicity of exchanges. And it is linked with beauty, with the beauty of this landscape and with the beauty of these exchanges. And I think it is really important to take away all these things related with commerce, with retail, with products. No, to come back to very essential things.
Space for learning should not be limited to the very minimum space of classes, of library, of everything which is at the core of a program, but should be widely extended. At the same time, allowing to give these small spaces where the direct relation between the knowledge, the professor with students, or students together, or lecturers or guests is possible, but at the same time to widely extend the space, to give more extra space, to allow an invitation to something else to happen, an invitation to the world to come into the school. And it's important to extend this threshold between the learning space and the world, and to make a more fluid limit. And the limit is in a way is unlimited. In all this project, that's with different solutions. Sometimes flowers, sometimes very specific spaces, or like in the School of Nantes, we doubled the space. We gave an extra space free of function as big as the program space, to give this possibility of creativity, of invitation. And if we extend this concept, we can think that finally a space for learning should be this good combination between traveling to learn, to get this knowledge and come back to report what you have learned and learn again before traveling again. So that could be a good idea of what learning space could be.